So why do you need management accounts? Well, the information that you can get out of them will help you in developing your business and enable you to gain valuable insights on your business in a real-time basis. They will contain information, typically a profit and loss account and a balance sheet on a month-by-month basis. But there's also a whole load of other information that you might want to include in there, and plenty of it, and maybe non-financial information. So in addition to having your profit and loss account and your balance sheet, you might want to have information on how each department in your business is performing. That way you can identify any areas that might need improvement. If you're a sales business, you might want to know how well each salesman is performing and how much they're contributing towards the business. You can also use it to identify your target audience. So for instance, you might be able to identify where all your business is coming from so that you can target that at a later date. The information contained will also enable you to help determine what your potential tax liabilities are. Having your information on a month-by-month basis will be able to determine the tax that's due on a month-by-month basis. So when the tax becomes payable, you've got the resources to be able to pay it. Other information contained will need to be used for whatever you want to use it for the business. But you then come on to the issue of how do I get all that information out? Your systems and processes might not be up to date. Well, if you're not already in the cloud with your accounting software, then that's the next thing you want to consider. There's plenty of cloud accounting software products out there at the moment, but QuickBooks and Xero are leading the way. With this software, you'll be able to link your bank account directly to the software, so all the transactions are downloaded into it. Your purchase invoices and expenses can automatically be loaded up into the software with a copy of the invoice there to be able to review. All you need to do then is allocate the invoice to whatever it relates to. And it's not only bank accounts can be linked, credit cards to be linked. This enables you to have daily updated information, so you'll have the information at your fingertips to be able to help you with your decision making. And no management information pack should do without a cash flow forecast. Cash flow forecasts will be able to determine if there's a problem later on, so you can actually deal with that, or if you've got surplus cash that you can actually reinvest back into the business. So as you can see, there's a whole host of information that could be included in any sort of management information pack on a monthly basis. And it's a question of how you actually show that information as well. Well, much of that will depend on who the reader is. Some people like the information produced in a tabular basis, and other people are more visual. Here at Hearts, we've developed a system whereby we can show you it in any way, shape or form that you like to make sure that you understand the figures in the most simplistic way. Here at Hearts, we're always available to help you in producing that management information, and if you need any further information on that, please feel free to get in touch.